What's happening, team? So it is Tuesday, 5 p.m. Getting started for a late evening shift. Gonna go for $30 this evening. Excited. And had to take a break because my wife and I decided to do like a little camping adventure this weekend. I'll post some pictures of that. That was a lot of fun. We got to do some waterfalls and it was really cold, but it was really cool. But we're back at it. So tonight, let's get going and try to get, say 4 or 5 orders this evening, try to hit our 30 and then be back home in time to make dinner for the wife and hang out. All right, let's get going. All right, pulling out of the parking lot here, and we got our first order as a priority order. It's $5 for 2 miles from Burger King. So let's go get it. Well done, Burger King. 30-second wait, back in the car. Okay, DoorDash, what in the name? I was looking at the directions for this Quality Inn. DoorDash sent me in the opposite direction for where this place is. I had to call the customer. I was like, where is this Quality Inn? He was like, it's over by the Planet Fitness. I was like, okay, I gotta turn around, be there in a second. Oh man, bad order after bad order. They sent me a bunch of them that were like $2 each. People not tipping, don't take those. Then they tried to trick me with a double stack order. It was like $5 for 2 miles, but that's 2 orders where somebody didn't tip. Anyway, don't take those orders. On a positive note, we're building a $1,000 emergency fund with DoorDash, which is kind of cool. And I'm pretty much thinking that after this shift, I should be in the $700 marker. I'll leave a picture of that up if I found out afterwards, and I'll put it in here somewhere. So we are almost to our $1,000 for our emergency fund. That's really cool. Much better. Order for $6.50, going a little over 2 miles from Lost Pizza. Let's go grab it. That was surprising. They had the order ready to go as soon as I walked up to the counter. Usually these guys are super slow. I don't know how your market's doing, but mine has slowed down quite a bit in the last, say, 2 weeks. I mean, hitting these just $30 in a night sometimes takes a lot longer than it has in the past couple months. I know there are slow periods and things with DoorDash, but sometimes I guess it just depends. And I'm in a slow market. So wherever you are, leave down in the comments how your market does. Are you making like $90 an hour, or are you making like $11.75? Let me know. All right, we got an order for $5.75, going a little over 5 miles. I had to take it. This is really slow. I'm gonna have to take it. Okay, got that order pretty quick. Chick-fil-A is usually on their game with getting orders out, like within minutes. Get this delivered, sorry. It is already past 6, and was hoping to get as close to 30 as I could before 7 o'clock. So we'll deliver this one, try to get one more, and push it. Let's do it. Talked about this a little bit earlier in the video, and that was in regard to building an emergency fund with DoorDash. One of the things I want is to have an extra income that can build, say $1,000 a month that just sits there in case of emergency. The numbers say that like 50% of Americans don't have $1,000 to cover, whatever that may be, rent or some kind of bill or some kind of flat tire, that kind of thing. I don't want to be that guy. So we're going to post how much we made so far in regards to getting to $1,000 at the end of this video. So stay tuned. I'm going to show you the balance. All right, got that delivered. It's about 6:20. Let's see if we can zoom back into our zone and try to get one more order before 7 o'clock. Put us as close as we can get to 30 bucks. We're at like $18.75 right now. Let's do it. All right, so it just died in this area. It's right under 7 o'clock, and we finished with just barely over like 18, almost 20 bucks. So I think tonight we're gonna call it a night. Let's take a look at our balance in our account, see if we're almost like in the 700s, closer to our $1,000 emergency fund. Let's take a look. So looking at my account, opening it up. Nice. Okay, so we're at 711. We are in the 700s, almost on our way to our 1,000. The goal this week is to get into the 900s by Sunday. And I think that's more than possible because we've got the whole weekend to do all kinds of stuff. My wife will be working, and that means I'll be driving around quite a bit. So let's see if we can make another, $200+ this week. We'll be back at it tomorrow trying to get to 30 again. So anyway, I'll catch you guys in the next one.